Hi guys, and welcome back to my garden. Well, today I'm going to be taking you indoors to see my collection of indoor houseplants. Well, some of them anyway, not all of them, I've got too many. So I thought I'd make a change, just an update really. So let me take you in. Off we go. Of course, some of these plants will be going outside as soon as the weather warms up. Here's a money tree and also old man's beard. Here's a Spanish dagger. This is quite an old one. Had this for quite a few years. That will definitely go outside when the weather warms up. Here's a couple of shots. Here we have a Swiss cheese plant, also known as Monstera delicosa. Here's a pitcher plant. Had that for quite a few years too. Probably eaten a lot of flies by now. And here is a banana, Musa Baju. This will definitely go outside as soon as the sun's out. Well, the sun's out today really, but it's too cold for it. So we'll leave that where it is. Here's quite a mixture of some indoor plants and cuttings that I've got. They're looking pretty good. A lot of those cacti go out as well, I must admit. Do like a bit of sunshine. Umbrella plant. Big cactus hiding in the background there. Some more indoor plants there. And here are a couple of real beauties. Lovely, isn't it? And this is one of my all-time favourites. An orchid. We've had this for so many years and it keeps flowering. There's some windowsill plants. And a few more orchids. We just keep them. Eventually they will flower. Just takes a little while, but once they flower for months. Thanks so much for watching this latest video. Hope you've enjoyed it. I've got quite a few plants, quite a big selection. Please don't forget, subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my future videos, of which there might be quite a few. Bye for now.